If you're tired of scrubbing brake dust off your wheels every single weekend, you need to stop what you're doing and watch this. We tested the 5 top ceramic coatings on the market to see which one actually keeps your wheels clean and which ones are just expensive snake oil. Number 5, GYEON Wet Coat. This is probably one of the most hyped products for people who want instant gratification without putting in the elbow grease. The application process is admittedly the easiest of the bunch. You simply wash your wheel, spray this on while the surface is still wet, and then rinse it off with a pressure washer. It relies on water pressure to activate the bonding process. In my testing, the immediate result was undeniably cool to watch. The water beading happened instantly, and it left the wheels looking significantly glossier than they were 5 minutes prior. It acts as a fantastic drying aid because the water just sheets right off, which cuts down your drying time significantly. However, after living with this product for a few weeks, the cracks in the Armour started to show. While GYEON markets this as a durable hydrophobic protection, I found that on wheels which face much higher temperatures and more abrasion than paint, the longevity just wasn't there. After about 3 heavy washes and a few rainy days, the hydrophobic properties dropped off dramatically. I noticed that brake dust started sticking again much sooner than I expected. If you are looking for a permanent bond or something that will last you through a harsh winter, this really isn't it. It behaves more like a strong sealant than a true ceramic coating. Another issue I encountered during the application was the potential for spotting. Even though the instructions say to rinse it off immediately, if you are working in even slightly warm weather or direct sunlight, the product can dry on the wheel faster than you can grab the hose. Once it dries, it leaves these stubborn, oily streaks that are a pain to buff out. 4. Adams Polish's Advanced Graphene Ceramic Spray Coating. Adams has been pushing the graphene buzzword hard lately, claiming that the addition of graphene oxide increases the strength and heat dissipation of the coating. On paper, this sounds perfect for wheels, which are constantly heating up and cooling down. The kit is pretty comprehensive, and one of the coolest features is their UV tracer technology. The coating glows under a UV light, which allows you to see exactly where you've applied it, and more importantly, where you might have missed a spot. This is a genuinely useful feature that I wish more companies would adopt. However, my experience applying this to the complex geometry of a wheel was frustrating, to say the least. The product is incredibly rich and thick for a spray, which means it is very prone to high spots. When I sprayed it onto the microfiber applicator and wiped it onto the spokes, it felt tacky almost immediately. Buffing it off required significantly more effort than I anticipated. On a flat hood, this might be fine, but trying to buff sticky residue out of the tight corners of a lug nut cavity or between intricate spokes was a nightmare. I found myself sweating just trying to level the coating before it flashed. The graphene aspect, while sounding high-tech, caused some issues with the finish in my testing. If you don't buff it to absolute perfection, the graphene platelets can leave a sort of grayish, shadowy residue that dulls the finish of gloss black wheels. I tested this on a set of gloss black rims, and I had to spend an extra 20 minutes chasing down these faint, oily smears that only showed up in direct sunlight. It's very unforgiving. 3. CERAKOTE Platinum Ceramic Rim Coat. This product takes a completely different approach to application. Instead of a bottle and a sponge, CERAKOTE provides you with pre-impregnated wipes. This is a game changer for anyone who is intimidated by the idea of mixing chemicals or dealing with flash times. You literally just tear open the packet, take out the cloth, and wipe it onto the wheel surface. It feels incredibly intuitive, almost like using a wet wipe to clean your hands, but you are depositing a professional-grade ceramic layer. The finish this product leaves is absolutely stunning. It is easily the thinnest coating of the bunch, which means it doesn't look thick or syrupy. Instead, it just makes the wheel look incredibly crisp and clean. Because it's a wipe-on product, getting into the barrels of the wheels, the part behind the spokes that is usually impossible to reach, was surprisingly easy. I could just wrap the cloth around my fingers and reach deep into the back of the rim. The gloss levels are very high, giving the wheels a wet look that really pops, especially on metallic finishes. But the real story here is the durability. CERAKOTE is a company known for firearm coatings, so they understand heat and chemical resistance better than almost anyone. In my testing, this coating scoffed at brake dust. I went 2 weeks without washing the car, and the wheels looked dusty, but the moment I hit them with the hose, the gray film just slid right off. The chemical bonding is fierce. I even used a harsh wheel cleaner on it just to see if it would strip the coating, and the water beading remained completely unchanged. It creates a shell that feels much harder than the spray coatings we looked at earlier. Number 2. Chemical Guy's HydroSpin. Now, I know chemical guys can sometimes be hit or miss with their endless product lines, but they have absolutely nailed it with HydroSpin. This is marketed specifically as a wheel ceramic coating and detailer, and the user experience is just joyful. It combines the ease of a spray with the performance of a much heavier coating. The scent is pleasant, the sprayer is high quality, and the product spreads over the wheel surface like melted butter. It is incredibly slick, probably the slickest to the touch out of all 5 products I tested. What impressed me most about HydroSpin is how versatile it is. You can use it as your primary layer of protection, and it does a fantastic job. I applied 2 coats to my test wheels, and the depth of shine was incredible. It made the black painted sections of the wheels look like a mirror. But where it really shines is as a maintenance product. Because it's so easy to layer, every time you wash your car, you can do a quick spritz and wipe with this, and you are essentially topping up the protection every single time. It ensures that the hydrophobic barrier never fails. The hydrophobic properties are aggressive. Water doesn't just bead, it flies off the surface. During my drive test in the rain, the centrifugal force of the wheels spinning was enough to keep them almost completely dry. When I got home, the wheels looked cleaner than the rest of the car. It repels dirt, road tar, and brake dust with ease. I found that I didn't even need to use wheel soap for my weekly washes. A strong stream of water was enough to knock 95% of the grime off, and a quick wipe with a microfiber mitt took care of the rest. Number 1. Gtechniq C5 Wheel Armor. If you are serious about protecting your wheels, this is the gold standard. Unlike the sprays or wipes we've looked at, this is a true, concentrated ceramic coating that comes in a small glass vial. Don't let the size fool you. This little bottle contains pure liquid magic. This product is chemically engineered specifically for the high heat environment of alloy wheels and brake calipers, capable of withstanding temperatures up to 600 degrees Celsius. The application takes a bit more patience. You use the provided lint-free pads to dab it on and spread it, but the results are in a league of their own. Once C5 cures, it forms a physical bond with the wheel's surface that is incredibly hard. In my testing, this was the only product that truly repelled hot metallic brake dust particles. Usually, those hot particles melt into the wheel's finish, but with C5, they just sit on top of the coating. Cleaning becomes a joke. I literally used a leaf blower to dry my wheels, and the water vanished. Durability is where C5 leaves everyone else in the dust. Gtechniq claims up to 2 years of protection, and based on my experience, that is not an exaggeration. I have seen wheels coated with C5 that still bead water aggressively 18 months later. It resists staining, oxidation, and road salts better than anything else on the market. It preserves the factory look of the wheel perfectly. It doesn't add an artificial plastic shine, but rather locks in the natural finish of the metal or paint, keeping it looking brand new. What I love most is the peace of mind. Once you apply C5, you know your wheels are armored. You don't have to top it up every month, or worry if the car wash soap stripped it off.